At the field, the enclosures are matched to the proper pole location. It mounts easily and securely near the base of the galvanized steel pole with built-in mounting hardware. It slides onto the hinge hanger bracket. The threadless hub is secured with stainless steel captive screws, providing gasketed, watertight wire access into the pole. The Quick Connect plugins provide a solid, reliable connection between the ECE and the pole-top luminaire assembly. And with its location near the base of the pole just 10 feet off the ground, technicians can service the system from a stepladder instead of needing a lift.